When people see the list of AWS services related to analytics and machine learning, it can feel overwhelming. There are many names, some sound similar, and it's easy to think you need to understand artificial intelligence deeply to pass the exam. You don't. At cloud practitioner level, you only need to recognize what these services are generally used for. This episode is about giving you that clarity without turning it into a technical deep dive. Welcome to Learn Data Easy, the series where we break down cloud, data, and AI concepts without jargon and without stress. I'm Charlene. I work in data and AI, and my goal here is to help you understand how AWS works underneath in a practical way that's easy to remember. In this episode, we're focusing on analytics services and AI ML services in AWS at a very high level. Before we talk about service names, here's the big idea. There are two main categories here. And one is analytics services, and these are tools that help you analyze and understand data. And then there's AI and ML services, and these are tools that help you build or use artificial intelligence. That's it. Everything in this episode fits into one of those two buckets. Analytics services help you process, query, visualize, and analyze your data. You are not building AI models here. You are analyzing information to gain insights. Amazon Athena allows you to run queries on data stored in Amazon S3. You don't need to manage servers. You simply query data directly. A simple way to remember this is that Athena is used to run queries on data in S3. AWS Glue is used for preparing and moving data. It helps clean, transform, and organize data so it can be analyzed. A simple way to remember this is Glue is used to prepare and connect data. Amazon Kinesis processes real-time data streams. It is used when data is continuously generated, like logs, events, or sensor data. A simple way to remember this is Kinesis is used for real-time data streaming. Amazon QuickSight is AWS's business intelligence tool. It helps create dashboards and visualizations. A simple way to remember this is that QuickSight is used for dashboards and visual reports. You've seen Amazon Redshift before in the database episode. So Amazon is used for analyzing large volumes of structured data. Simple way to remember this is Redshift is a large-scale analytics database. Now let's talk about AI and machine learning services. These services help you either build machine learning models or use pre-built AI capabilities. At cloud practitioner level, you only need to recognize what they do. Amazon SageMaker is used to build, train, and deploy machine learning models. It is used for developers and data scientists. A simple way to remember this is that SageMaker lets you build and train ML models. Amazon Rekognition analyzes images and videos. It can detect objects, faces, and text. A simple way to remember this is that Rekognition lets you analyze images and videos. Amazon Comprehend analyzes text. It can identify sentiments, entities, and language. A simple way to remember this is Comprehend lets you understand text. Then we have Amazon Lex. And Amazon Lex helps you build conversational interfaces like chatbots. A simple way to remember this is that Lex equals chatbots. Amazon Poly converts text into speech. A simple way to remember this is that Poly is a text-to-speech tool. You are not expected to build models, understand algorithms, or configure pipelines. You are expected to recognize service names, match services to general use cases, and know which services are analytics versus AI. For example, query data in S3, Athena, real-time streaming, Kinesis, build ML models, SageMaker, analyze images, Rekognition. That level of understanding is enough. Analytics services help organizations make decisions based on data. AI services help automate intelligence-based tasks. Even if you're not a data scientist, understanding these categories helps you recognize how AWS supports modern applications. Let's recap the key ideas. So analytics services help analyze data. AI services help build or use machine learning. Key analytics services include Athena, Glue, Kinesis, QuickSight, and Redshift. Key AI and machine learning services include SageMaker, Recognition, Comprehend, Lex, and Poly. If you can match each service to its general purpose, you are well prepared for analytics and AI questions on the exam. In the next episode, we'll bring everything together with scenario-based questions and exam thinking strategies, so you feel confident walking into the exam. If this has helped, subscribe, and let's keep learning cloud the easy way. See you next time.